Hello! This video about self-learning remote control. Hereinafter the device that is designed to work with automation operating at a frequency of 433.92, 434.4, 315 and 868 MHz. The device can operate in the following modes: iterate through code and copy code, iterate through code or self-learning. Iterate through code is possible only for came-top and niced floor systems operate at a frequency of 433.92 MHz. Iterate through code for came-top system takes 8 minutes. It can be worked with equal probability at any time. Iterate through code for the nice floor automatics takes approximately 15 minutes, but in most cases the equipment is triggered in the first 5 minutes of the code iteration. Iterate through code for came-top system, as in this case, is turned on by pressing the combination 2 buttons. In the process of code identifying, the indicator flashes periodically showing the activity of the process. To save the code, you must iterate through the process not later than 6 seconds after activation. Then press on one of the memory buttons or a combination of them for approximately 2 seconds. Short press on the buttons will not give effect. It was to exclude accidental pressing. Indicator flashes, then turns off, which would mean that the code is stored in the cell. After such saving, the unit returns to standby mode. The whole procedure is demonstrated for the example of automation for gates. Now repeat this for automation of garage doors. copy code or learning from original remote control. When you press on the button 2, the device enters into the mode of reception with the rare green indicator flashes at intervals of approximately 1 second. Upon successful reception, you must trigger the original remote that you want to copy into the working distance. Indicator will blink fast by green. After that, it's necessary to select the memory bank by the top switch and the cell to save with one or a combination of two bottom buttons. After the saving, indicator stops flashing and the unit will return to standby mode. Then you can manage the automatic by pressing on the selected button or their combinations. All this is demonstrated by the example of automation of gates. Now repeat this for automation of garage doors. More details are in the user's manual. Thanks for watching.